In this video, I am going to show you how to refund a purchase on TOCA BOCA. First, open the App Store on your device, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on where you made the purchase. If you purchased through the Apple App Store, go to your account by tapping your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Purchase to find TOCA BOCA. Tap on the app, and you should see the option to report a problem. Select this option and follow the prompts to request a refund, providing a reason for your request. For Google Play Store users, open the Play Store app and tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Account, then scroll down to Purchase History. Find the TOCA BOCA purchase, tap on it, and choose the option to request a refund. Fill out the necessary information and submit your request. Remember that refund requests are subject to the App Store's policies, and it's best to submit your request as soon as possible after the purchase. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your refund status. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.